Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about exponential functions. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to know about this one. So A that is about the constant. B that is about the base. S that is about exponent. So in this situation, we can analyze about this one in here. So we know that number 2, that is about the constant. 1.08, that is about the base. So we put 1.08 in here. Similar for the second one. And the next one, the base, that is about E. The next one, y-intercept, that means when we put s equals to number 0 for this one in here, and here. So when s equals to number 0 going here, this one equals to number 1. So we just have only y equals to number 2. So we need to write about 0, number 2 in here. Similar for the second one. And we put number 0 going here. E to the power of 0, we have number 1. So we have 0, number 3. The next one, row or decade. So I will show another formula in here. So we need to analyze into this way. So if we have 1 plus r, if this number is greater than number 1, that is about row, because we see that 1.08 and this one is greater than number 1. So that means this is about row. And they want to find the row right. We can see that 1 plus r equal to 1.08. So in this one I will put like this. And we can find the row right, that is about r in here. So we put number 1 go to the right. And we have 0.08. And that is about 8%. So we put 8% in here. We see that this is about 0.87, smaller than number 1, that is about decade. And I will put this number going here. So we calculate this one and we have negative 0.13. That is about negative 13%. And we can put this one going here. Or maybe we can put about negative sign here, so they will represent about decade. The next one about exponential base. So in this one we have the formula in here. So if we have r equals to negative sign, if we have the negative sign, that means this is about decade. So if this one that is about positive, for example like this is about row. So we put negative 7% in here because r in here, that is about the decade rate. And we put negative 7% going here. Now let's go to the next one. We have row and we have y-intercept. So 23 in here, that is about the constant. So we have y equals to 23. And the next one, we have 12%. So we can put 1 plus 12%. This is about 1.12 to the power of s. The base in here, that is about 1.12. And another way, if this one is about e, we can put like this. And this is the technique how to answer the question. This is the end. Thank you for watching.